So I have not done one of these in months. I can't remember the last time I did a Zara haul video. Yeah, I just have no idea. We're going away, Michael and I, in a couple of weeks or so, and I wanted to literally show you some of the things that I picked up, some inexpensive bits and pieces that I want to weave into my wardrobe. I don't do hauls that often when it comes to like Zara. I prefer to just get that odd 1 or 2 pieces that I find online. Remember that asymmetric cut corset top that I showed you on here like a couple of weeks ago or ish. I wanted a few things and I wanted to see them all at once and see what's going to work and what's not. So first up, okay, that's a little bit better. It was looking a bit blown out a moment ago. By the way, I'll link this top for you below, and these are old Levi jeans. I must have pressed 2 quantity, so I have 2 of the exact same size in these linen pants, which is friggin' annoying me. I just can't get over that. But so I got these, right? So I mean, they have to work because I got 2 of the same. They do have a drawstring though, which is good. I got them in a size extra large. They go from, let me see, they go from XS to XXL. So I wasn't sure which one to get. So I went with XL because I want linen pants to fit oversized. So that's kind of the vibe I'm thinking. I'll show you on the screen so you can see how it looks on me. So I'm hoping this works. Just something loose that I can wear with like maybe like a cropped top, oversized shirt, or maybe like a bikini top with a shirt that's like loose on top. You know, it's endless possibilities with a good like linen loose trouser. You can wear it during the city, during the day. You can wear it on the side of the pool, that kind of vibe. So that's that. I also got this dress in red and I have no idea if it's going to fit me. It is off the shoulder. I'll show you here on the screen how it looks on the model. I just love it. I love the color, the style, very simple, chic, something I can wear with like flats. That's the whole point of it. I was thinking I could wear with like flat sandals, just flat. Speaking of flats, I have a Chanel unboxing at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I'm just worried it's going to be too small. It just looks like it's too small. You know when you just can tell? So I don't know, but this is the back. This is the front. Seems like it's going to be too small, but oh God, I'm hoping on the try on that you can see on the side here, it's going to show that it fits me. If it doesn't fit, I'll also show you because I want to just show you either way. I'm usually like a US 6 up top, a US 8 down below, depending on the brand, because sometimes I'm just a US 8 everywhere, especially because of my long arms and legs. I always size up, always. But maybe if I had to average myself out, I'm a US 6, a UK 12, okay? So hopefully that will help with the sizing. So in case you want to shop them, but hopefully you can see on the screen that this fits. I don't know. I got this black dress. It's a cotton long dress. I just loved it because of the smallness of up top. This is where your light switches go, right there. I just like the eyelet detail of them and the little holes here, perforations, empire cut. So it's like small here, then it just flares out. And this is the bottom part of it, which I thought was beautiful. That sold me as well. Just really easy kind of just style and cut. Timeless, right? I feel like this is a dress that I'm going to just keep in my wardrobe for a very long time. Everything I bought here is timeless, all these pieces, and that's how I like to shop with Zara. That's why a lot of the pieces I get stay in my wardrobe for years. So let's see how this looks again on the cutaway. I'm praying that as I'm showing these to you now, it's just like the unboxing, that the try on part, which is here, is showing them fitting me. So God knows if it is, but fingers crossed. Because then I got this gorgeous dress. I love this thing. Yeah, this is so good. This looks like something you could have picked up from almost like from overseas, like shopping somewhere. I love the color of it, the white with the blue. It's just the shape. I love shapes like this in dresses. Short, bit of a sleeve, and just a simple pattern. That's the back of it. Just really cool. I love this. This is something I can easily wear again, just as simple with sandals. A lot of them I'm gonna show you right here now. Any of my existing shoes like sandals, flip-flops, even cowboy boots I can imagine wearing with this. So let's see how this looks on. Again, I have no idea. Hopefully on the screen you can see. I ordered this in a size extra L. This also ran from XS to XXL. And I went with extra L because I just wanted it. I'd rather it fit slightly too big than slightly too small. So let's hoping that it skims and not looking like huge. So we will see again right here. Shoes, I ordered 4 pairs. 2 of them are from the men's section because I have large feet, so I fit the smaller size of the men's, and 1 is women's. The women's are right here. They're a striped thong, lace up the ankle pair, black and white stripes. I thought those were really pretty. So again, I'll show you in the cutaways how these look on me or on the screen there. So I love them. Just the pattern of them had me. I thought they were a really nice looking shoe. So there's those. Then I got these 2 chunky type of sandals from the men's section. I went deliberately to that section because I find that the chunk of the shoe is bigger in the men's than it is in the women's, because it's meant for like a larger framed person generally. So yeah, I just prefer them. So I got these. These are like blue. Last year I got a pair in black, which is very similar to these. The difference is that they had like a strap that goes around the back of the foot. Now maybe they'll turn up, but I thought these were great. They're super lightweight, really are. But look at that, aren't they good? Right? It's just like the chunk of them, the way the toe just sort of like sits in the footbed. So love. And again, very, very lightweight. I could wear these what I have on right now even, I can imagine, right? And then I got these, a nice neutral kind of tan rope look. So good. I need to turn this light off. I think it's a bit too bright. There you go. That's the actual natural color. Wow, I should have just kept it off. This is the natural color of them. I just thought they were really, really simple. And just the color sold me. How many times can I say that? And just that overall, right? Look at that chunk. Let me show the navy ones again now that the light is off. There you go. Oh, that's so much better. So that's a truer color of them. Good, yeah? Really good, right? These and these. So those are the 2 that I picked up. Is that it? Have I missed something? I showed you the 3 dresses. I showed you the shoes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, tell me which bit you like the best out of what I've just shown you, out of these 3 sandals. It's like the look of that chunk, and that's what's missing in my wardrobe. I don't have something like this. I have my Chanel dad flats, but I didn't want that. I just wanted something that was just more sort of low-key, nondescript. I just like this design, just the kind of like crisscrossing over the foot, just that knots on the side. It just almost has like a, I don't know, like a Roman sort of sandal look to them. But that is it. Those are the pieces that I picked up from Zara. Yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, everything fits. That's all I can say. A little bit of an unboxing. Here we go. I picked a pair of shoes up from Chanel. Now, this has already been shown on my TikTok ad nauseum because there's a part 1, 2, and 3 literally on my TikTok as we speak. So all my unboxings, by the way, everything goes up on my TikTok first because it's just so much easier. I don't have to edit much. It just film, press, upload, and that's it. So if you don't have TikTok, by the way, YouTube Shorts. So I have a YouTube Shorts section. Just hit Shorts, and everything is like 60-second quick videos. You're very welcome. So these are Chanel ballet flats. Already done like a proper unboxing. I couldn't figure out what size I was. I'll talk about that in a minute. Let me just undo them now to get them out of the box so you can see. I've had my eye on these flats for about 3 years and I never pulled the trigger, and I did finally now unboxing, but they've already been shown already, like I said. So this is them. They are black on black with the patent toe. I wanted the most sort of classic sort of ones, just all black, something I can wear all the time. I always wear chunky sandals, chunky shoes, chunky boots, and I wanted something that was the opposite. And this is them for me, and I wanted them to be super comfortable as well. And these do so far feel like they are, although I've not worn them outside yet. Now I'm going to talk a bit about the sizing. Now, like I said on TikTok, I didn't know, I've never tried these on before, so I didn't know what they were going to look like on me. I went to the Chanel in Soho, they didn't have anything in my size in this, so I just gave up. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna have to cross my fingers. I ordered a 41.5. Now normally I'm a size 41 in Euro shoes. I just am, straight across the board, unless it's a shoe that really runs small or just runs big. So 41.5, because I don't know, I feel like I heard that these run a bit small. Do they? 41.5 came and I could barely get my foot in. Like I could, but it was like muffin. You know, like your foot just kind of feels like it's like spreading out over the sides of it. That's how it felt in a 41.5. And I thought, oh, for fuck's sake, sorry. So anyway, I managed to get a 42. and they're fine. They fit great. So I'm really glad that I changed and got the 42. I was worried that the 42 wouldn't fit, if the 41.5 was that tight, but these do. So if anyone has ever considered these, 42 is what fits me, and I'm a US 11, UK 8. Okay, so hopefully that can help you find what your equivalent would be. These run a full size small. And a lot of you on TikTok told me the same thing. And I was reading the comments, you all said, yeah, these run a full size small. You all said the same thing when you got them. You said I had to order up a size. French sizing, it runs small, go up one size, and so said, so done. So you lot were right. So that's what I ended up with, but I love them. They're beautiful, very, very timeless. I love the idea of just, you know, juxtaposing like I do with a lot of things that feels feminine. I just wear with something that's really like kind of, you know, either masculine, not opposite, so it's not completely girly. Unless, you know, I have moments where I want to wear them, like with this Zara dress. I can imagine like these might work really well together. This long dress and then this for a full black moment, and just carry just like a small white bag. That's the kind of vibe. So high, low, that kind of thing. Love, so good. I could even, I wonder if I would wear them with the short dress. Anyway, doesn't matter. Point is, that is what came in, and that is it. That's a quick and easy video. See you on TikTok and on Instagram between this Friday and next. Next Friday, fingers crossed, it is what everyone is wearing in New York, okay? So I've been quietly stopping people on the streets. I've told you before, these videos take me a very long time. Remember, I shoot these videos myself, so it takes me a long time to find just people that I want to include in the video. So it's not done in a day, and it's not done in a couple of days either. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, next Friday is going to be the episode. No, let's just say hoping. Next Friday is going to be what everyone is wearing in New York, all right? So let's just speak it into literal existence. Is that it? I think that is it. By the way, I'm just going to show you these glasses. I got these from a campaign that I did with Walmart. I actually really like them. These. Let me show you how they look on. Aren't they good? These. Right? Not bad from Walmart. I'm going to link these below, but I just thought these were really cool. I just love the kind of like oversized cut of them. They're men's, of course they're men's. But I just thought they were really cool. I love them. See? But this, I thought was gorgeous. Oh, I love these. So cool. So cool. Anyway, that is it. I'm done. I'll see you next Friday on Instagram and TikTok in between. Okay, bye. I was influenced by someone from my next Street Style episode that goes up next week. She got these Citizens horseshoe jeans, and I just love the cut. So hopefully these will fit me. Yeah, I'm going to give them a go, but I just thought they were too gorgeous to not get. They come in white, black, and like a normal denim jean color. I think maybe a light and dark. So I'm hoping these fit. It's just the cut I really love. Oh my God, they're fine. I got a size 30. I could probably go down another size, because this is a little bit big here, but I figure, you know, when they're washed and all that, I actually don't mind it. The button fly, I did quickly, I've done it, but I just wanted to quickly show you how these look, because these literally just arrived after I finished filming. So this is them. What do you think? I love them. I think they're great. They're so good. I'm wondering if I should get a size down for the next wear. I don't know, because I kind of like it kind of slouchy like this as well. Plus I think if I wash them, they might just, I don't know, we'll see. But I think they're gorgeous. So good, really pleased. And I think these are going to come away with me as well. And I kind of like the idea of wearing, see this same dress that I got from Zara? I can just wear it as a top. I'll like loosely tuck it in here and then just wear them together. Sorry if my head is a bit cut off. I'm filming on my iPhone. You know what I mean? Like just that. Okay, I'm not doing it properly, but you get the vibe. These jeans are everything! Oh, they're epic! Oh my God. Okay, now I'm